Welcome to OnPlan, the first spreadsheet built specifically for financial modeling and planning. With OnPlan, you can connect your accounting, sales, and workforce data to build a best practice forecast. OnPlan is compatible with your existing Excel and Google Sheets models, allows you to power your models with best practice modules, and offers a pool of expert modelers for onboarding. It's the spreadsheet you already know, with support for 500 formula functions, with a whole new set of capabilities tailored specifically for the needs of financial modeling. Whether you're raising a round of funding or evaluating a new pricing strategy, or preparing for a board meeting, it's easy to model anything. OnPlan goes beyond standard formulas with a rich set of row types and column types specifically for financial forecasting. Column types such as single select lists, departments, and mapping columns. You can import data from QuickBooks, Xero, Salesforce, Hubspot, Excel, Google Sheets CSV, and even other models. Connect rows by simply typing line item names. Double-click on a cell to drill to specific transactions. Build KPI blocks with ease. Chart and format line items in seconds. And add them to dashboards. Custom views allow you to create filtered and group data views to keep everyone focused on the right information. You can go beyond the basic P&L by easily creating budget versus actuals, and year-over-year growth reports. OnPlan features granular permissions at the model, scenario, sheet, and dashboard level, and everything in OnPlan is updated in real time, so you can work better together without missing a beat. It's fast and easy to share with anyone inside and outside your organization. And you can pick from a growing library of ready-to-go templates to get started quickly. OnPlan. Give your model superpowers.